Okay, continuing on this video, I just want to show you here. When it comes hovering over it, it says Texas select 2, California select 1, like that. So let's go back and take a look here. If you look at the code that we generated, we are starting with the state. The state is the word that filters the data from Google, and it gives back the Texas, California, etc. And the select is what comes up as the prompt in the tooltip. And the result here, what we have as a state equal to Texas, and the result, what number of result, what is a tooltip that comes up. It looks good, but it is not that great. We have to think about what we can do to make it look better eventually. So I'm going to close this off. I'm going to go to the next one. What is my next version of it? I'm going to here edit that. Now let's take a look. Last time when we did, let's take a look here. We have an array, and array we are going to convert that. See, visualization array to data table. We are creating a data table, converting this array into that table. What if we can build the table ourselves? Forget about providing an array to build it. So we could have a column and we could have a data. So that will be good for us. So we're going to do here. We're going to have exactly same thing, linking to the JavaScript, and we're going to start the JavaScript, and we're going to load the package geochart, and we're going to draw the region map. So we're going to define the region map. Now we're going to create a new data. Data we're going to call visualization data table. This is what we built using this here, a data table. We're going to convert into data, but we are going to build it here. So data, we're going to add a column by the string, and it is a state. And then we're going to add a column number fans. Now I'm going to change it to employees. No, for now fans is okay. Fans are okay. Okay. We're going to add a first column state, second column a number, which is number of fans. And then I'm going to add another column type string, and the role of the type is a tooltip, and it's going to be HTML true. So that now I'm going to add a first record, New York, 200 people fan, Gandhi, great programmer. I like that, the third line. And then I'm going to have Connecticut, 250, Papi, my wife, and I left this blank here. And now I'm going to add coloring for the tooltip. So data row, we're going to put New Jersey 500. I'm going to create a background color yellow, and I'm going to put my data. And then I'm going to fill it up the rest of it. This is just a static A5W page. Even though there is no A5 marker here, sorry, HTML page, this can be shown either in the A5W form or an HTML form. So I'm going to execute it and show you here. I'm going to take the old one off. The new one comes up, and it comes up with 3 states. That's what we wanted, we didn't have. So we're going to do here New York. You see, now it's not just one line. Now we're going to have a couple of lines. One of them says my name, whatever I want to do next, and here is my daughter, and the background is yellow. You can see, you can make it look pretty. And here, so simple, complicated, style. So you can do many things in the tooltip. So it's so easy to do, but this is still a static HTML page. We want to do it a dynamic HTML page. Then only we'll be happy. So I'm going to close these guys, so everything out, and I'm going to go to the next one. I didn't go there yet. I'll get. Oh, this is what I did. Okay, I have to go back to the A5. Okay, so let's talk about the three guys here. Geochart 2, I probably showed it to you before. RS data result. So I just want to verify that we saw that. Yeah, we saw that. Okay. Close this one. 2, 3. Okay, now comes the fun part. Okay. Now I am going to have this one. I need to change it to employees. Yeah, I think so. Yeah, employees. Okay, so we're going to add a column string, which is a state, data column number, which is employees, and I'm going to have string, and I'm going to add data row. Initially we added this as a static row, but now I'm going to introduce alpha 5 as a A5W page. So I'm just including A5, text as a C, text string. All those 4 lines that we had before is exactly here, nothing different. I'm ending the string and I'm going to print the text. It's going to print this instead of doing this. I'm going to make this as a 1 string text and I'm going to print it through alpha 5. See, I'm going to print it. So if this works, then everything is so far so good. So we're going to do it here. And it comes up good. So I'm going to here, Riverside, here, 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 all looking good. So this can be done if here the background style can be done, this manager, everything can be done, and all this tooltip will have multiple lines. Again, there is a problem. Still, this is a static list. What if I have to have a dynamic list? How would I go about doing it? So I'm going to put a stop now, and the last one I'll upload it in a minute.